G'day everyone, how you going? Just a quick update. Let's stand back for a second. So here's my mixed modular. We've got the Euro rack up there, and we've got the Cosmo down here with an SQ1 and a Korg new bass over there. So what we're going to be concentrating on today is my homemade module, the 4010666, which is, as you can probably guess, a CD406 IC. Simple circuit, but I've added true CV inputs here to each. There's 6 oscillators, and I was using it as a drone, but now I've added the CV inputs. We change it up a bit. So that's CV input. These are the CV attenuation. This is the tone of the oscillator, and this switch here switches between the singular out for each oscillator or the malted out, the mixed out. So all right, we'll concentrate on this top oscillator for now. I'll turn the volume up. There's a standard tone from the 40106 single oscillator. Change the tone. I like the deep tone, so I've only got I think it's a 100k pot there. You can change it to a 1 meg, you get a bigger range. Okay, so if I flick that down to there, it's off. Well, it's not, it's down to the malt pot output. So I'll put that back up. We'll get an oscillator. I've got a the zone BF up there. Just got to get output of that straight into the CV of the top one. Oh look, we've got CV control of the 40106. Attenuate. That's nearly right back to the bass. And just to prove it, I'll come up here. Here's the zone BF. Turn it up. We can change the shape. Let's leave it there. Alright, so now what we could do is flick this switch down, take the output out of the singular and put it into the mixed output, and we hear the original, alright, with the CV. So now, if I get this second oscillator, flick the switch down, alright, so that's just the single oscillator now, the single second oscillator. The first one's switched back up to the single output. If I switch it back down, you can hear them both in there. Now if I take the output of the 1145 LFO, put that into the CV of the second one, alright, got them both. Turn the top one off. Change some things on the LFO here, like the wave. Let's change the sample instead. There we go. Okay, so that's just number 2. If I turn number 1 down to the multi output, oh, there you go. So you could theoretically have a single output of all 6 oscillators, all being CV'd. That'd be nice and messy, wouldn't it? So there you go. Yeah. Well, what I could do, just to make it really messy, I'll take this output of the SQ1, put it into the third one. Huh. Alright, so that's the output of the SQ1 going into number 3. I've turned the other 2 off. Depending on the voltage of the CV, it can be a bit touchy, so as you can see. There we go. All 3, all CV'd. Alright, there you go. Thanks guys, and I'll post the circuit up as well. Cheers.